Wix SEO optimization tutorial, how to optimize Wix website for SEO. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily optimize our SEO stuff on Wix. Nothing hard, so let's get started. Here we are on my dashboard where I have a couple of websites, and let's say that we want to organize this website directly for SEO, for search, for Google for example, or for other browsers. So in order to do it right, we just simply need to open our dashboard. As you know, for Wix websites, we have their own dashboard right up here. And also we have the option to edit them on editor. So we need to click on edit site, and basically two of these parts are really important, and I will show you how to do it in a correct way. Firstly, we need to open our dashboard and here click on marketing and SEO. So we'll come to next page where we have a couple of sub pages, and what is important as for us is that we need to open our SEO stuff. As you can see, we have like a SEO assistant, and also we have SEO setup checklist. I recommend you to open this checklist. So let's click on start setup, and as you can see, we'll come to the next page where we can start our SEO journey to get found on Google. Will help you to get a head start with the basics of SEO so people can find this site online. Answer 3 questions so we can build a personalized checklist for this site. Complete all checklist tasks to set up the site for each search results, and connect to Google and submit your homepage for fast indexing. Let's click on get started. So what's this business or brand name? We'll let it name like our channel, Helper Man. Next, what does the business serve its customers? If this business serves customers face-to-face or within a local area, we'll include this info in the SEO checklist. This will help search engines understand more about this site and help it get found in local search results. This business serves customers for a physical address or within a local service area. These business servers customers not on wide, so worldwide, or interacts with visitors only online. So let it be like this to make our customers like in a wide way. Next, and which keywords do you want to use in this site's checklist? So let it be keywords are phrases that help match your site with what customers enter into search engines. They should describe your business and what it has to offer, like online vintage comic book store. Let it be like helper month firstly, tutorial, how to guide, and also let it be something like YouTube. Next, and after that, when everything is set up, we'll come to the next page. And of course, you need to know that you answer for these questions like in a correct way. And of course, after that, we'll be able to optimize our SEO more. Set the homepage's title for search results. And what does it mean? It means that we need to name our website, and we need to change all the pages as we need. Current title tag, help, home, and helper man. These homepages title tag is now optimized and includes at least one keyword, the business or site name, and text length between 10 and 200 characters. So it's really important as for your website to have a correct title, so please change it if it's not. Add the homepage description for search results. So here we need to write a meta description, helps potential visitors learn more about this site before they visit. It's important to keep this text relevant and concise. So here we can write something like this: a lot of Wix tutorials here. Also other tutorials about other apps. Yeah, now we can click on apply and publish, and in a few seconds we can easily publish it. So we can name it like helper man helps. As you can see, all the requirements were added, and now it's really easy to get good SEO. Apply and publish. Add a text to homepage. The next step we need to perform, it means that we need to add a text with our keywords about what are we doing. So on the homepage, we need to add text with at least one keyword, the business or a site's name. It's really important because every single part of the website is indexed by search. So we need to make sure that all the text inside of our editor is good enough to describe our theme, to use the keywords, and also to be shown as a home results. So on our editor, we need to add some information. Let's add a section. Let's add about. And here we need to write what is our store or website is about. So of course we need to use these use this stuff. We need to use at least one keyword we mentioned, and also we need to mention the business or site name. Allow indexing to make a homepage visible in search results. Task completed. Your homepage and site are eligible for indexing and can be visible in search results. Indexing for homepage is turned on. So basically it's automatically turned on. Optimize the site for mobile devices. The site has been automatically optimized for mobile devices. Turn on the enable mobile friendly toggle. It means that our website is suitable for mobile. People can easily open it on their phone devices. And usually when we use our templates on Wix, they're optimized for our search engine. Connect this site to a custom domain. You can do this if you have a premium feature, and we can also connect it to Google. So you can click on this button right up here, and after that you'll be able to connect it with Google. Step 2, optimizing the site pages for search engines. Add alt tags to all images on the home pages. So it helps to index all the content on your page. It makes it easier for search results. Add links to the homepage button or text. Set the full screen page, page's title for search results. Add the full screen page, page's meta description for search results. Add links to the full screen page. So you need to perform all the steps like this, and after that your website will be optimized as for search. Keep building on the site's SEO progress. So we can continue optimizing our website. It means that we can improve our content, add new pages, and so on. Keep going with the SEO Learning Hub, hire a Wix SEO partner, and advertise on Google. So these are the ways of how can we optimize our Wix website for SEO. And you can find more in-depth tutorials in the playlist down below. I hope, guys, that this video helped you out and it made your life a little bit easier. It's just a quick way of how to optimize your Wix website for Google search and for other search engines. I hope this video helped you out. Like, subscribe, goodbye.